Cardano is entering phase 2 of the bull market. Price prediction. Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Geek. So let's get right to the point and see what's going on. But before we do, let me inform you we're having a giveaway of 1 Ethereum. So don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe, and set on post alerts to participate in this giveaway and to remain up to speed on all things Cardano and investment in cryptocurrencies. Cardano's 200-day moving average. One thing to remember is to always follow price action rather than your viewpoint or biases, since price action will outsmart you in the majority of the time. Right now, you're looking at Cardano. We did touch the 200-day moving average, and we did receive the expected rebound, which resulted in a lower high, and now the price is continuing to push lower lows and lower highs. It is quite likely that it will continue to go towards the 200-day moving average. We'll discuss where we are now and what we may expect for the price of Cardano in the next few weeks. In today's video, I'll give you an update on Cardano Ada. It's been approximately a month since the last analysis, and the price is currently at an important level, so now's a good moment to give you an update on what we're expecting in the next few weeks. Of course, we'll give you the regular report on support and resistance levels, as well as the current trading sentiment. Then we'll go through the previous Cardano pricing and discuss where we are now and what we expect to happen in the future. 6% down performance. Right now, we're looking at the sentiment for Cardano Ada. Exactly now, it indicates a sell signal, with the price resting right at a significant support level, which is not a good indication. This week's performance is down 6%, while June is down almost 20%. Now let's look at Cardano's support and resistance levels. The next level to monitor is the June lows, as well as the range lows since May. And then we have $1.11, which is right around the 200-day moving average. We got about the annual aggregation level, and then we got 80 cents. If that level is broken, things will not be looking good, and we will most likely be back down to 40 cents, maybe even 20 cents. If the price of Cardano does reverse to the upside, the next resistance level we're looking at right now is 1.50, which are at the 21 and 50-day moving averages. We also saw a bearish crossover of the 21 and 50-day moving averages right in that area. $1.80 is the next barrier, which is the June highs as well as just around the June open range, and $2 is the final resistance. If that level is breached, Cardano is expected to retest its all-time high. Cardano has some long-term potential. Positive flows in Cardano. 33% of Cardinal investors did not possess any a month ago, and it is a significant amount for new investors for a cryptocurrency. As a result, there will be a lot of fluctuation in the price until it finds stable support. Cardano currently has various improvements planned for late July, early August. However, even with the improvements, there's no assurance that the mood will alter from how the market is moving right now, and institutional money appears to be flooding into Cardano. According to this data here, all the large funds coin sharing indicated that many institutional investors are putting money into projects like Cardano. If you look closely, they're reducing money flows away from Bitcoin and Ethereum while keeping positive capital flows in Cardano. So what effect does such news have on the actual price of Cardano? Price action has been doing what it is intended to do in the near run until we hit a significant support level or a pivot point. For Cardano to eventually begin to reverse, the price will continue to fall, and we anticipate that the pivot point will be anywhere between $1 and $10, close to the 200-day moving average. Greatest buy the dip chance. When we were at the bottom of the huge drop and what we expected from there, and then we'll give you an update based on today's pricing. But on the bear side, if the bull market is gone, we will see a bounce of the 21-day moving average for Cardano. That's what we're hoping for, followed by a rejection. There, we'll test the lows again, maybe with a double bottom and a bear flag, before breaking down and trading below the 200-day moving average. For the first time since December of 2020, the 200-day moving average range is down here at approximately 90 cents to $1, which may be a terrific buy the dip opportunity. If we test the lows because we have a rebound in that area, we receive a much greater risk-reward ratio and 2 all-time highs. That gives you approximately a 130 gain, and if you're looking at the level, it is exactly below all of the monthly supports from the year, making it one of the greatest buy the dip chances. If it happens again, as we mentioned, a bearish scenario in which we test a 21-day moving average from a double bottom and break down a trade lower. We also have the negative possibility of bouncing and trapping some bulls with a lower peak. come back down, continuing creating lower highs and lower lows, and finally test that 200-day moving average support and break down below it, indicating that things are still negative and on the trading chart for a Cardinal. We did have a lower high, and now if you look here, you can see a bearish crossing up to 21 and a 50-day moving average. Cardano's performance last year. That hasn't happened in a long time for Cardano. The last time we looked here was in September of 2020, and the price had dropped to the moving average of the last 200 days. We consolidated there before finally breaking out, and we expect something similar to happen again, with us continuing to break down. Ultimately touch the 200-day moving average and establish long-term support just over $1, and then have a reversal for Cardano to move up and test some of these resistance levels on the upside. So for the time being, we expect prices to remain inside this range for the next several weeks, if not months, until we see anything incredibly negative or highly bullish that pushes it out of this price range. So right now, the price is in a decline. We don't not negative on Cardano, but we do expect prices to continue to fall lower, maybe much faster. This will increase volatility and provide us with a wider trading range. If you look at the 21 and 50-day moving averages, they'll continue to remain above the price, and we will ultimately see a crossing to the upside later this year. So if you're optimistic about Cardano and want to purchase, you have two entry points. The present level we're at, which is around $1.35 to $1.30 range. Bounce rate of around 46%. You may look for an entrance there, but as I stated, it's not the best spot. So you can enter half or all of your position, and a better entry point would be down at the 200-day moving average, which is around $1. And that is only 1% away. And if we do go to that level, a rebound back to this in the $1.60 regions, which we'll most likely test later this year, this will give you a bounce rate of around 46%. You should keep in mind that if we do enter a long-term bear market for crypto, Cardano may continue to push the lows below the 200-day moving average, making a lower high at about 140 and continue downwards to test the 80-cent level. This is a crucial milestone for the year, where price broke out and we had a great run from there. So if the price falls below the 20-day moving average, we cannot anticipate the 80-cent level to be a probable bottom and bearish price target. So in this video, there isn't a bullish or bearish scenario. We are primarily interested in price activity because it appears to be working for Cardano in recent weeks. It will most likely continue to function until the price reaches a significant level near the 200-day moving average. That concludes our Cardano update. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and if you want to show your support for the channel, all you have to do right now is to take 2 seconds and press that thumbs up button and like this video.